Looking for speaker cable that delivers both power and clarity? Bullz Audio's Professional Platinum Edition speaker cable promises just that with its 10-gauge AWG thickness and oxygen-free design, ensuring maximum signal transfer without interference. Whether you're upgrading your home audio or wiring your vehicle, this cable stands out for performance and durability. What sets this cable apart is its ultra-flexible construction paired with high current capacity. Unlike stiff, hard-to-manage wires, Bullz Audio's cable bends easily around corners and tight spaces, making installation straightforward. This flexibility doesn't compromise strength. It's built to handle demanding audio setups where consistent power flow is crucial. I've tested this cable myself and was impressed by its thickness and quality. It feels robust yet pliable, which is rare for cables in this gauge. On a recent project wiring my boat's audio system, it connected directly to the battery with no signal loss or heat issues. That peace of mind alone makes it worth the investment. Bullz Audio doesn't just stop at performance. The cable's clear red and black coloring helps you easily identify polarity, reducing installation errors. Plus, the company offers various lengths, 150, 200, 300, and 500 feet, and gauges ranging from 10 to 16, so you can pick exactly what fits your needs. If you value quality sound and reliable connections, this cable is worth a closer look. Many users praise its multi-strand construction for creating clean, consistent audio signals, especially when making custom RCA connectors or driver connections. It's a solid choice whether you're a hobbyist or a professional installer. Considering an upgrade? Bullz Audio's Professional Platinum Edition speaker cable combines thoughtful design with dependable materials to elevate your audio experience. It's not just about quantity of wire, it's about the quality that keeps your system sounding its best over time. If that's you, this cable offers clear benefits: improved signal clarity, ease of installation, and durable construction. Try it when you're ready to enhance your setup with a cable designed to perform under pressure and deliver crisp, powerful sound every time.